Hello, my name is Amelia Joaquim, and in this presentation I am making a proposal as to why National University should switch from using Blackboard Learn as the current learning management system, and that the switch should be to Canvas. Let me begin by sharing the outline for this presentation. The right learning management system for National University. Perhaps Canvas. Defining an LMS, reasons National University needs Canvas as their preferred LMS, features of Canvas as a superior LMS, Canvas versus Blackboard, Learn, the pros and cons, and finally, references. A learning management system is a vast repository where you can store and track information. Anyone with a login and password can access these online training resources whenever and wherever, according to Pappas 2019. Also, an LMS should be scalable and adaptable, evolving with technology and also meeting the needs of an institution. Canvas as National University's preferred learning management system. NU should switch from Blackboard Learn to Canvas because Canvas is the preferred LMS. Canvas integrates technology in an advanced, innovative, efficient, and effective way, which promotes and enhances teaching and learning. Additionally, Canvas functionality is outstanding. The Canvas user interface is very easy to use. The information is easy to find as found in this picture right here. Next slide. Canvas on display. Let's look at this brief video which would let us know why Canvas is the best system. Canvas is flexible and it also supports faculty.
This is the video where we're supposed to show you all the cool things Canvas can do. But it's actually more about the cool things you can do with a little help from Canvas. With fewer clicks and steps, stuff like SpeedGrader and drag and drop calendaring will give you more time in a day. You can do what you have to in a way you actually want to.
So that was just a short video illustrating the pros of Canvas. In the next one, I would like to share some of Canvas's superior features. Canvas is currently ranked as the best LMS in the world. Canvas is simple yet powerful. It is a robust system. It is easy to organize online courses, and it also integrates very advanced technology. Another benefit of Canvas is that Canvas is affordable. Next slide. Let's look at this short video again. And we can see that Canvas has amazing features. Lastly, Canvas versus Blackboard. Canvas is robust, user-friendly, and it has a very easy to navigate user interface, whereas Blackboard is outdated. Blackboard relies on scrolling up and down in a not user-friendly manner. Also, 98% of Canvas users are satisfied by the features Canvas has to offer, which support and enhance both teaching and learning. To conclude, National University should adopt Canvas as the preferred learning management system because Canvas is the best. It is technologically advanced, and it also promotes and facilitates teaching and learning. Some of my references which I used during presentation. And to conclude, I would like to highly recommend Canvas and use LMS, and I hope the board of directors can make this decision to switch and drop Blackboard and embrace Canvas as the better learning management system. Thank you.